Hey my bomb babies, I'm back again with another video for you guys, and today we're going to be reviewing Born Pretty's magnetic cat eye polish, some of their gel polishes, and I think one of their regular polishes that they gave me in their kit. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel if you already don't. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also turn that notification bell on to get notified when I do upload again. If we can get right into the video. So as you see here, I'm just showing you which polishes they sent me in their kit. So they sent me in the white bottles, they sent me 2 cat eye polishes, they sent me a matte top coat, and they also sent me a regular glitter polish and a gray regular gel polish. They also sent me a magnetic stick. This is for the cat eye polishes. This is to move the reflection around. So the magnetic cat eye polish cooperates with the magnet. It will not work with regular nail polish. So I'm going to start off with the gray gel polish that they sent me. This is just a regular Born Pretty gel polish. This is not magnetic or cat eye, so you cannot use the magnet on it either. You cannot use the magnet on regular gel polish, only on gel polishes that say cat eye magnetic gel. So this right here is just me doing 2 coats of the gray gel polish to show you guys how this looks. After each coat of gel polish, you want to cure for 60 seconds. So for the first coat, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds, and the second coat, I will cure for 60 seconds. So after you do both coats, now you're going to put on your top coat. I'm going to use the Born Pretty matte top coat that they sent me, and we're going to cure the gel matte top coat for 60 seconds when we're done. Do one of their magnetic cat eye polishes that they sent me. Now for the magnetic cat eye polishes, you want to do 1 coat, and then you want to cure it for 60 seconds, and then you want to do a second coat, but do not cure it. You're going to use your magnet to move around the reflection to where you want it to be at on the nail, and once the reflection is where you want it, then you will cure the whole nail for 60 seconds and then apply any top coat that you want. It could be, I would prefer gloss so you can see the glitter and everything. So right now I'm just showing you how to do the polish with the magnet. So first coat, cure it for 60 seconds. Second coat, do not cure until you get your magnet line exactly how you need it to be, and then you'll cure it for 60 seconds and then top coat. So how to use the magnet. You want to go close enough to the nail polish that the line is moving, you don't want to be too far away, and you definitely don't want to be too close to where you're touching the polish because it is uncured, so you will get gel polish on your magnet. So how close I'm doing it is perfect. You want to be close enough to where the magnet is pushing the reflection. So you can literally move the reflection any way you want depending on how you twist and turn your magnet. So you'll see me going from side to side and everything and using the top of the magnet. Like I said, you can use any part of the magnet. Just make sure you're close enough as you see in the video so you can move the reflection to how you want it, and make sure your client is okay with where the reflection is at also. Now I'm moving on to the second cat eye gel polish that they sent me, and this is another glittery one, and we're going to do the same thing as the first one. You want to do the first coat, cure it for 60 seconds, paint on your second coat, but do not cure it. You want to use your magnet and move the reflection around to how you want it, and then after you like it to where it's at and your client is okay with it, you want to cure that for 60 seconds and then add your gloss top coat. moving on to their regular glitter polish that they sent me. Now this is not gel and this is not a cat eye, it's just regular glitter polish. So you would just have to dry it, and this is how this turned out. For this regular nail polish, I'm just going to add some of my McCart gel top coat on here for gloss. And this is how they all turned out. So the first two, we have the regular gel polish and a regular nail polish, and the second ones we have the two cat eyes that you use the magnet on. And I think they all came out perfect. I think they came out pretty good if you ask me, and this is my first time using cat eyes, so I love them. I love them all. And yeah, so this is the end of the video. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll be gladly to answer anything. Please subscribe to my channel. Again, like I said, if you don't already, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and turn that notification bell on to get notified when I upload again. And thank you so much for you guys' support, and I'll see you again.